We are pleased to show you the 2016 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.